let's quickly look at what or the performance level of all of these indicators that I have analyzed and I've also talked about so much about. Okay, now this is the hybrid analyzer, and the very first thing I want us to quickly look at is to talk about the hybrid signals. But before then, you would notice that I said in my previous videos that this indicator does not tell you to quickly go into the market. As long as you have it, you would know the direction of the market. Okay, the top hybrid signal tells you that market is in this overall direction. Market is in this overall direction. It's either selling or it is buying. Now let's look at what Euro GBP has done today. Now this is what Euro GBP has actually done today. At a point is sold. All right, so we look at another one. So far so good. Let's look at CHF JPY. Yes, let's look at CHF JPY. All right, now CHF JPY is actually on the buy side. So at a point, I think earlier today, the momentum or the bias was bullish. Now I think there was a pullback, and now you see price is actually going back in that upward direction. It's making that upward move. Now the same thing with Euro USD and also Euro AUD and Euro New Zealand, GBP USD, all of them, everything here is actually on the upside. Now if we look at it, like I said, GBP USD actually on the upside, and in the previous video I talked about how we are actually waiting for a possible buy for Euro USD. This is Euro USD. Okay, this is what price has done overall, is what we are looking at. What is the market saying monthly? What is the market saying on a weekly time frame? What's the market saying in the daily time frame? What's the market saying in the 4 hours time frame? All of that, if you put everything together, by default, this is what you are going to get, what we have here. Now this one moves faster, although it monitors the bigger time frame. But look at what we had today. This comes, it doesn't come all the time. It comes maybe once or twice or 3 times in a week, when we will have price initiating L for us. L means large orders. Anytime we see this, it means large orders. Now let us look at the large order, for instance, for GBP AUD, and also for GBP USD. In fact, we'll look at any other one. Let's randomly just pick the ones we want to look at. Okay, now look at the large orders. You are definitely going to see a candle that moves in this format. So when you see it, just wait for price to do something, maybe a short pullback, and then you can just follow suit and buy or sell if that is what you actually get. Okay, now another point, see, we had GBP AUD here, we had GBP AUD here, GBP AUD is confirmed here, and we also have GBP AUD, and it is a bullish, the sentiment is bullish, the bias is bullish. Then we have to wait for a bullish momentum and a bullish, when the volatility is on the bullish side. So you carefully select the trade you want to trade. The big secret I want to tell you is that institutions, hedge funds, big proprietary firms, they trade with data, they deal with data. What they do with is data every time they want to trade. Big institutions, big trading institutions, they trade with data, and the little ones I could put together is what I have actually put together, and this is what I have so far. Okay, this is a separate indicator, this is a separate indicator. This and this were coded differently, but they were made to do the same thing. Okay, now it's so beautiful, and this is a combination of this and this. So anytime I am making analysis or I want to trade, I just don't have to look at this to be searching one after the other. I just have to look at what I have on in the middle here. Okay, so what do I have? Then what is my system saying? Okay, what do I have? There's a divergence in gold. Okay, there's a divergence in gold, mean one is actually selling in the bigger picture and one is actually buying in the bigger picture. So that's how everything becomes profitable for me, this is what I'm able to do so that I can get the desired results into which I need to get, so that I can able to become that somebody, to live that life of freedom, that life of normal total freedom for myself. Okay, so that's just the beauty. So if you need to download this, go to use a link in my Facebook, and use a link on my Facebook, and actually you need to connect with me. This link, use it and connect with me. Download this software, use it for few days, few weeks, and see if it is worth it, if it is something you can have for a lifetime. Okay, so all right, I see you in the next one, and thank you very much, and bye.